Welcome to the channel Dr. Robert Clark, where today we uncover the hidden secrets behind aging joints and nerve health. Many seniors suffer from numbness in hands, weak legs, and stiff joints, often accepting these as inevitable parts of aging. However, these symptoms are often warning signs that your body is losing its essential structural foundation, specifically its collagen levels. We usually associate collagen only with skin and wrinkles, but its role in our internal health is far more critical. Collagen is actually the glue that holds your entire body together, supporting tendons, ligaments, and the protective sheaths around nerves. Instead of relying on expensive supplements, we will explore how to stimulate your body to produce its own collagen naturally. Nature has provided us with powerful ingredients that act as building blocks for this vital protein within our own systems. Today, we present 8 specific vegetables scientifically proven to restore your agility, reduce numbness, and strengthen your tired, weak legs. First on our list is parsley, a common garnish that is actually a powerhouse of vitamin C and essential volatile oils. Vitamin C is the primary fuel for collagen synthesis, and parsley provides 3 times more than oranges, gram for gram. Adding just a small amount of fresh parsley to your daily meals can significantly boost your immune system and joints. Besides collagen, parsley helps flush out excess fluid, reducing pressure on nerves, which often causes that uncomfortable tingling sensation. Next, we have asparagus, a unique vegetable known for its high levels of folate and a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione protects your cells from oxidation, while folate is crucial for repairing damaged nerve tissues that cause chronic leg weakness. Roasting asparagus preserves its nutrients better than boiling, ensuring you get the maximum benefit for your joint flexibility and health. Moving to the ocean, seaweed is our third superfood, packed with minerals that are often missing from modern land diets. Seaweed contains unique peptides that mimic collagen activity, helping to hydrate your skin and lubricate your stiff, creaky joints. Regular consumption supports thyroid function, which regulates your metabolism and energy levels, combating the fatigue often felt in old age. Number 4 is beetroot, famous for its deep red color and its incredible ability to improve blood flow and circulation. Beets contain nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, widening blood vessels to deliver oxygen and collagen nutrients to your extremities. Better circulation means less numbness in your toes and fingers, and more endurance for your legs during daily walks. Our 5th contender is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing serious joint inflammation. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that blocks enzymes specifically responsible for joint destruction and the painful progression of osteoarthritis. It is also rich in vitamin K and calcium, a perfect duo for keeping your bones hard and less brittle. Number 6 is okra, often disliked for its slime, but that mucilage is exactly what makes it medicinal for joints. Think of this natural slime as oil for a rusty hinge. It helps lubricate your digestive tract and internal tissues. Eating okra regularly can help reduce the friction in your joints, making movement smoother and significantly less painful for seniors. Spinach takes the 7th spot, a leafy green loaded with antioxidants and, most importantly, a high amount of magnesium. Magnesium is vital for nerve transmission and muscle relaxation. A deficiency often leads to leg cramps and restless sleep. Incorporating spinach into salads or smoothies ensures your nerves can send proper signals, preventing that numbness in your extremities. Finally, number 8 is the red bell pepper, which surprisingly contains more vitamin C than citrus fruits or green peppers. This high vitamin C content is crucial for cross-linking collagen fibers, making your tendons and ligaments stronger and more resilient. Red peppers also contain capsaicin in small amounts, which has natural anti-inflammatory properties to help manage chronic joint pain daily. These 8 vegetables are powerful allies, but knowing how to use them safely is just as important as eating them. While natural foods are generally safe, specific medical conditions require you to be cautious with some of these healthy options. Vegetables like spinach and beetroot are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, limit these specific vegetables or boil them to reduce their oxalate content. For those on blood thinners like warfarin, sudden increases in vitamin K from broccoli or spinach can interfere with medication. Consistency is key. Do not drastically change your green vegetable intake without consulting your doctor to adjust your dosage accordingly. Also, increasing fiber intake too quickly can cause bloating. Introduce these vegetables gradually to let your digestive system adapt comfortably. Cooking methods matter. Steaming or eating raw is usually better for preserving vitamin C than boiling vegetables for hours. Aim for a colorful plate. The variety of colors ensures you are getting a wide spectrum of collagen-boosting phytonutrients. Diet is the foundation, but gentle movement is the catalyst that helps pump these nutrients into your cartilage and discs. Cartilage has no blood supply. It relies on movement to absorb the collagen-building nutrients you provide through your diet. Hydration is also critical. Collagen needs water to maintain its elasticity, so drink plenty of fluids alongside these vegetables. To summarize, your body has the amazing ability to repair itself if you provide it with the right raw materials. Parsley, asparagus, seaweed, beetroot, broccoli, okra, spinach, and red peppers are your natural pharmacy for stronger, younger-feeling joints. Imagine waking up without that morning stiffness, or walking down the stairs without fearing that your legs might give way. This transformation is possible not through magic pills, but through consistent, mindful choices in your daily grocery shopping list. Start small. Pick one or two of these vegetables to add to your diet this week and observe the difference. Your health is an investment, and the best time to start depositing into your body's collagen bank is right now. Share this knowledge with your loved ones. Healthy eating is easier and more enjoyable when done together as a family. Experiment with recipes. Try a beetroot smoothie, a roasted asparagus side dish, or a crunchy red pepper snack today. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with your body as it utilizes these nutrients to rebuild your structural tissues. With improved magnesium and collagen levels, you can also look forward to better sleep quality and more restful nights. The goal is not just to live longer, but to live better, maintaining your independence and joy well into your golden years. Nutrition affects everything. When your internal structure is strong, it reflects outwardly in your energy, mood, and appearance. While our focus was on joints, you will likely notice the bonus effect of smoother skin and stronger hair too. Always maintain your regular checkups with your physician to monitor your progress and ensure these changes suit your specific needs. You can also pair these vegetables with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and ginger to further enhance their pain-relieving effects. Keeping a food diary can help you track which vegetables make you feel the best and which ones to avoid. Soups are an excellent way to consume multiple collagen-boosting vegetables at once, especially for those with difficulty chewing raw food. Reconnecting with nature through your diet is the most effective way to restore the balance your body has lost. We hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge to take control of your joint health starting today. We would love to hear from you. Which of these 8 vegetables will you be adding to your shopping list? Leave a comment below to share your experiences or any favorite recipes you use to prepare these collagen-rich foods. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos on natural health and longevity. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will dive deep into the best natural foods for boosting brain function. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Your commitment to your health is truly inspiring to see. Remember, aging does not have to mean suffering. With the right nutrition, you can age gracefully and with strength. Treat your body with care, feed it well, and it will serve you faithfully for many more years to come. Please note this video is for educational purposes. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. We are dedicated to bringing you the most accurate and practical health information to improve your quality of life. I am Dr. Robert Clark, wishing you health, happiness, and strong joints. See you in the next video. Goodbye.